In this detailed tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how to easily draft, customize and ventilate your 4x4 lens closure with kinky care. This is a full tutorial on how you can easily draft out your 4x4 lens closure on a paper, how you can customize the lens closure, secure and ventilate, and how to achieve this beauty. How to easily make your 4x4 micro twist braided wig. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to hit the subscribe button, kindly do so. So guys, the first thing we have to do is to draft out our 4x4 pattern on a paper. So the first thing I did was to get my materials ready, which is my paper, my measuring tape, my measuring rule. So I went ahead and measured out 4 inches. I used my meter rule to connect the 2 points that I measured. Like you mark on 0 and then you mark on 4. Then use your meter rule to connect them. So for the both side, I now measured out 2 inches, which will give me 4 inches, which is 2 by the left and 2 by the right. So I have to do the same thing for the upside. Then when I'm done, I use my meter rule to connect both the down part and also the upside. So when you do this process, it will be very easy for you now to connect the 2 sides, so that you end up having your 4 sides connected. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys how to customize the hairline, how to customize your lens closure, place, ventilate, and also how to make the micro twist braided wig, which you guys saw earlier. So after connecting the 2 points, next thing I did was to measure out 1 inch for the upside. That will serve as my hairline. The customization is coming. Alright, so that's my hairline. After I measure that, we have our center pattern, then the 1 inch up that will serve as our hairline. So now to customize the hairline, what I did was to measure 1 is 2 inches for both sides. So I just divided them into 2, which is 1 inch for both sides. So from there I connected it up, like from the center I moved down, like I can use my pencil to, from the center to the first 1 inch I moved down. I did the same thing for the other side. It will look like an arc. Okay, then after you move down, then from that 1 inch, then you move up. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. Then you move up from the 1 inch now and repeat the same thing for the other side. Alright, so guys, if you are watching this video to this point and you are yet to hit that like button, kindly do so. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So this is just what I did. We just demarcated 1 inch, which is the 2 inches divided into 2. So from the center I just moved down by that, then move down to the first 1 inch, then from there I moved up. It's simple. Then from the center for both the other side I moved down, make a curve down within the 1 inch, then from there I moved up. So it's as easy as that. Just follow through, you will get it. Then for this stamper, this is actually not necessary, but if you want to do that, this is easy. Just for that curve area that closures normally have, just use your free hand to make a curve for both sides. You can as well ventilate without the curve. It isn't that important. If you want to do that, this is how to actually do it. So the next thing I did was to cut out the drafted 4x4 lens closure, so that we can move over to the next process. Now for the next process, which is to customize our lens closure. So whenever you want to cut your lens closure, please make sure you are cutting through the vertical line, like you are cutting where you are seeing the vertical lines, not where the horizontal lines are or where the diagonal lines are. If not, you're gonna waste your lens. So this is where the vertical lines are, which are where I am supposed to cut. The next thing is for me to measure out my 4 inches out. So I'm going to measure out 4.5. The reason why I added the half, so as to have the extra quarter both side, which is where I'm gonna be placing my pin when I'm venting, and also where I'm gonna be sewing down, passing through to sew down the closure on my recap. Okay, so the next thing was to measure the length now, which is 4 inches, but I want to make it 5 inches because I will have 1 inch extra, which I'm not gonna be ventilating on. For this particular one is close to 5 inches. I just have 2 lines to make it up with for 5 inches, so I'm not gonna be cutting anything out. So what I did then was to just measure out my 4 inches, because the extra is just an extra, okay, just for the front side. Then the next thing was to mark a straight line. This will enable you so that whenever you are cutting it, you don't make mistake. Okay, it will just be straight. Once you mark a straight line, follow that straight line to cut out your Swissless. Even if you have 1 yard of Swissless, this is the same process. Just measure, draw a straight line. With that, it will be easy for you to cut out the size you need. So our 4x4 legs closure is ready. Our drafted pattern is ready. So another thing I need to do was to get, we measured out 4.5, so I have to give quarter for each side. Okay, this is, which is two lines for each side. So I make sure there's two lines for each side, which is where my pin and my needle are going to be passing through. So I just mark out my exact 4 inches, okay, which is 2 lines for both and then 2 lines for the other side. I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to explain, or if you follow this video, definitely you will understand. So this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my meter rule to mark it. Okay, this is just an extra. Our 4 inches is intact, is complete. It's just an extra that I added, which is that half that I added to make up for the side. Then the 1 inch I left extra for the front. It was an extra I left for the front, so the 4 inches is complete. So after doing that, the next thing is for me to secure that on our mannequin head, secure it on our customized drafted pattern, which we did on a paper. So we are going to be following this to do our ventilation. Then when we are done, this is exactly what we are going to get. Like, we're going to get a closure that is as beautiful as this pattern that we drafted out. So this is the drafted closure. The next thing is now the ventilation pattern. We have to ventilate the closure with our kinky hair, after which we are going to be doing the braids. If you watch this point and you're here to hit that like button, kindly do so. If this is the first time you're coming by my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, that once I upload new tutorial videos, you get notified. So guys, you want to see the ventilation process, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. I'll be dropping the video next. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.